everybody, how we doing today? So a lot of you have asked for the pitch black test, so that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to see if this guy can work in total darkness. I'm kind of curious myself. I have a feeling it's not, well, it might be able to because of the light. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know in the comments if you guys think it will before we do this test. So I'm going to send it over to my kitchen area. And then as soon as it gets there, as it starts to clean it, I'm going to turn off all the lights so it'll be pretty much pitch black down here. And we'll just stand there and I'll wait in here and see what it does. It's either going to clean it fine and come back, or it will simply get confused and then probably within a couple of minutes air out. Or it'll clean the little area and not be able to find its dock. I really have no clue what it's going to do. So we're going to send it over to clean just the kitchen. And then I will hit the lights after it gets over there, and we will see what happens. It'd be pretty awesome if they could make it work at night, but I'm kind of thinking that a little LED is not going to be enough. Alright, I'm going to hit this light, and then we got one more light on. And it's pretty much going to be pitch black from this, other than its light that is shown. But I wanted to kind of get in there and start cleaning, and then we'll see what it does. Alright, here we go. Pitch black coming up. So far it's doing it. Well, would you look at that? Huh? Well, there you guys have it. At least for that one room I sent it to, in complete darkness. You saw it clean, it did the perfect pattern. It went, and then it did there we go. And then it did a perfect perimeter, came back to the dock, no issue whatsoever, found the dock, and it is good to go. So as far as one area in the house, absolutely perfect. I don't think the i6 that I have will do that, or the S9. If you guys want to see a video, the same exact test with those two, let me know in the comments and I can make that happen. But I must say that's pretty awesome. If you guys want to, leave a comment below if you want me to do a full floor plan test in the pitch black. I can do that too. I can run it before I go to bed tonight and just make sure all the lights are out, and then I'll know in the morning if it did or not. So yeah, pretty interesting stuff. The light is very cool, definitely helps it with the object recognition, and then obviously, as you saw, it works for nighttime cleaning. If there's any other tests you'd like to see with this, let me know in the comments. I do plan on doing a bunch of dustbin tests very soon. I still have to take this down in my gauntlet for my testing room. I still have to do the pickup test, and I still have to do the other comparison test, like this versus the Roborock S7. I think tomorrow I'm going to run this and the S7 at the same exact time, and I want to see just how much quicker that S7 gets done than this. And you really see the big difference that LiDAR truly makes, and the bigger battery, mostly the bigger battery, but a lot of cool tests still coming. I have tons and tons of robots. I probably have 10 in my garage that I haven't even touched yet, that companies have sent me. I've just been so busy and so backlogged with items. And some of them were very cool, and you guys probably haven't even heard of them. So if you like this type of content, definitely smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get every upload as I do it. And leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.